Yeah, I think they have no choice but to have an impeachment inquiry. It has to happen. I mean, there's no way around it. I don't think he's capable of resigning. It's going to be difficult getting him out of the White House. He'll find this guy has done everything possible, much worse than I ever thought, ever. The day after he was elected, I said, well, give him a chance. You never know, you'll see. But he's worse than I ever could have imagined. As I think some of these other pundits on Fox are too. This guy should not be president, period.
A lot of criticism of you.
Fuck him. Let me say something.
Why do you choose to go that way?
We are at a moment in our life, in this country, where this guy is like a gangster. He's come along and he's said things, done things we say over and over again. This is terrible. We're in a terrible situation. We're in a terrible situation. And this guy just keeps going on and on and on without being stopped.